Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm just doing an unboxing. I got some really awesome products from somebody company that reached out to me. The Hippie crafters. They sent me lots of fun stuff. I'm super excited to try. They sent me some of their resin. So it's the hardener, and they're equal parts. So I'm excited to try that out. Hopefully I had that down there so you could see that. This is the resin. Equal parts. Supposed to be low velocity. I'm kind of excited to try it out. I've been really looking to kind of try out some different resins. I've been using the one that I've been using for such a long time that I'm just kind of want to look for some others out there and see, just try some. Then they also sent me this box of 25 acrylic paint markers, which I'm super excited about. You know, since I do a lot of the geode type work, this will give me a lot of color options. Look at all them pretty colors in there. I'm really excited to try them out. You get 25 in the box of that. I will put a link in the description for all of these items as well. Then they sent me a roll of their epoxy tape. So I'm excited to try that out and see how well that holds on the back of my canvases. They sent me a heat gun. I'm super excited about it. I've been wanting one of these smaller ones like this. I think this will be really cool to use for lots of different, especially for like my molds and stuff, because it's so much smaller. I think this will be really nice. So I'm excited to try this out. They have so many products, you guys. Like, there's so much to choose from on their website. They have acrylic paints and just all kinds of stuff. Different tapes. They have sketchbooks, canvases, canvas boards, all kinds of different tapes. They have acrylic paint. And then they also sent me a box of their 24 color mica powders, which I'm so excited about. Lots of different colors in here. I actually just got it in the mail and I was super excited, so I wanted to hurry up and do an unboxing. Look at that pretty colors. Pretty gold. This is a pearlescent color. And look at that blue. Is that black? I think that's black. This is black. There's just blue on it. Pearlescent pigments is what these are. So that's really cool. I'm really super excited to try these out. There's so many different ones in here. Here's a blue one. Yeah, I bet you they'll have, I'm hoping, since they're called pearlescent colors, that they'll have lots of shimmer. So, and you know, I love me some shimmer. Shimmer. And look at that pretty lilac color. Very pretty. All right, so I will put a link in the description for all of these items. If you want to go and check them out. And so there's the powder, the heat gun, the tape, the paint markers, and the resin. And like I said, they have so much other stuff to choose from. And their prices are really reasonable. They're not bad at all. It comes with a flyer in here with the epoxy, with the resin, of how to mix it, per square foot of your canvas. All that good stuff is in there. Coverage chart, pro tips, directions, and then just some facts about it. How to remove air bubbles, like all kinds of stuff. That's really nice. It's really good to have that with resin. So here we go. So I will have a video coming out here in the next few days. I'm using their products here that they sent me. I'm really excited because I can literally use all of these for one painting or one piece. So I'm super excited about that. So I will come back. But like I said, I'll put a link in the description for Hippie Crafters. Sorry, I kind of went blank. Hippie Crafters. And then you can check out their website and all of their products. They're really got a nice variety of things to choose from resin work to just acrylic painting as well. So go and check them out. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.